found this cute note card or package of 6 for $1.50 at my local craft store that averages 25 cents a card. It's good quality cardstock. It's a nice shade of turquoise, and it's got a nice embossed key on the front. I wanted to incorporate this somehow into my pocket letter projects, and I really like creating small, sturdy book-type pieces that actually house the letter. So I decided to just go ahead and divide this into 2 parts, just with my paper cutter. I cut the front off, and then I have the back, and this is actually the part that I'm going to be using for a little mini booklet that incorporates that letter that I can actually fold in half, and so it's sturdy. So this is the part that I'm going to be using. Stay tuned to see how I do that. Creating a text box in a Word document is very easy. If you're using a Windows PC that has Windows program, all you need to do is open a blank document, click on the Insert tab, click on Text Box, and go ahead and just drag so that you have an outline image, and then you can size accordingly. Remember, the booklet is 5 inches because you're doubling that 2.5 inch space so that it opens, and then the height is still the same. It's 3.5 inches. So click on Format, Text Box, and then you're going to click on the Size tab, and then you can adjust the height and width. You can customize that. So for height, we want to go with a little under 3.5 inches because you want to have a little space for cropping purposes. I'm going to go with 3.46 inches, and then on width, almost 5. You can use the arrow keys, or you can actually type in. It's up to you. I'm going to go a little bit shy of 5. 4.96 is good. Okay, inches. I'm going to stipulate inches. All right, there we go. And then just click OK. And then you'll see that your text box is sized and customized to the area space that you need for your letter. Then I'm going to go ahead, and when you see the move, this is a resize. The arrows, that's a resize, so be careful on that. You actually want to move this text box, and that's when you see those perpendicular lines. You know that that's the key that'll get you to move the text box, because you can fit 3 of those on an 8.5 by 11 inch paper. So I've moved it over enough that I can now create a couple more text boxes. Then I'm going to click Edit and Copy and Edit, Paste, and Edit, Paste again. Hold on. I'm going to move it down. I'm moving this one more over to middle right, and then Edit, Copy, Edit, Paste, and there's my 3rd text box, and I'm going to go ahead and bring that down to the lower left. You can see I've gone off the page a bit, so I can just bring it up. It's not a problem. Right about there. I'm in good shape. So I have now created 1, 2, 3 text boxes. And I'm pretty good to go. Next, I want to type in a message. move the cursor where you would like it. Pick your font size and type. I'll just go with Verdana. I'm going to make the point size larger just for video purposes. Depending on how long your letter, the range might be anywhere from 8 points to 11 is what I'm finding for an average. But if you just want something short and simple, you obviously will have more space, and you can include larger font. I always include a date. That's really important. And then your pocket letter pal, or of course, it's nice to have their first name. Type a personal message, and then sign, and there you go. If you're making multiple pocket letters with similar letter messages, then you can just highlight. I'm actually left clicking on my mouse right now. And edit, copy, and do the same thing. Cursor in the second text box, edit, paste. There you go. Cursor in the third text box, edit, paste. And you now have multiple letters, and you can again personalize them with their first name, change a few of maybe the message, maybe a paragraph or two or whatever. Then go ahead, and I would definitely save this so that you have that template for future use. File, save, and then maybe in your documents, file name, you might want to write pocket letter 5x3 template, and save. It's as easy as that. And so there you have it, a pocket letter booklet, and this fits in perfectly to those vinyl pockets for your pocket letters. I hope you got a little tip and you can use that, and have fun pen paling with your pocket letter pals. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like. Take care. Bye.